Imagine a world where you could print almost any metal parts faster, larger, smaller. Enter PRINTBLUE. The future of metal 3D printing is blue. Nuburu has developed a groundbreaking new generation of high-power, single-mode blue laser, which boasts a metal absorption rate 5 to over 50 times higher than current state-of-the-art infrared lasers. The result is an enormous improvement in productivity and could grant the ability to print parts at a scale that has never before been thought possible. In fact, blue lasers may advance capabilities to the point where manufacturers are able to 3D print parts over 10 times as large as current technology allows. But it's not just the absorption. Thanks to physics, blue can focus on a very small spot size, which enables 3D printing of extremely small-scale part production, such as MEMS, including features down to sub-micron in size. This is made possible by the fact that blue lasers, such as Nuburu's, are able to focus up to 5 times smaller than current infrared lasers. And with superior quality, speed, and resolution, Nuburu's blue laser technology combines large-scale manufacturing with parts customization, which could enable manufacturers to print complex parts at a high volume quickly, with an unprecedented level of detail, effectively increasing productivity levels tenfold. When you see all that is possible with blue lasers, it becomes clear that Nuburu's blue laser technology is the future of laser metal processing and additive manufacturing. To learn more, visit nuburu.net.